Loving someone is not easy, you know, but it makes us feel alive. So we go with the flow. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me. Just tell me louder if you're loving me. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me. Tell me louder if you're loving me.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I said I was back on YouTube,
Flashback.
and I'm back on YouTube after a 2 weeks break. But yes, boards came and everything and like that. But let's just ignore that fact. And today, as you've already read by the title and the thumbnail, is a vlog. And today I'm going to Pratapgarh with all of my cousins. It's currently 7 a.m. We are about to leave in like 10-15 minutes. But right now, me and Adi are going to get some snacks for the way. And then we will leave and I'll vlog further. So let's go. Are you ready for the trip?
निशु भूल गया अपना लाइफ
Hi Adi. Hi Nikhil. Hi Nehu. Hi. Hi. Hi Nishu.
अरे तू यूट्यूब चला लो
Nishu, पीछे देख एक बार.
ठीक है तो देख
We have finally started the journey and we have 2 hours to go. And I think I'm not going to speak a lot because you can see nobody really quiet.
लॉक कर ले गाड़ी 9:30
Not a paid promotion. क्या बन के बैठे
कॉरिडोर 10 वाला आ गया
उस पे क्या लिखा है
यार आज को पीछे बिठा लो जगह है तो
Oh, I knew you would go back. You must be missing me so bad. When you left, you said that I don't deserve you, but I can see that you don't wanna lose what we had. Oh, you're the one that I need.
2 hours later.
And we are here. Okay, so let's start the voiceover. As you saw, we had a great entry in Pratapgarh Farms, and then we got our tickets, also our bands that were tied around our wrist, and then we entered the Pratapgarh Farms. Here you will see an extremely enthusiastic and excited creature. She was the most excited and was dancing as soon as she entered. Here were the information for the all 6 lawns, and then we moved forward to our breakfast. We reached here at 9:30 a.m. and this is the opening time for Pratapgarh Farms. This is what the breakfast spread looked like. We had aloo puri and sabzi, we had some fresh dahi, then we also had a variety of stuffed parathas, some really tasty achar and some fresh salad as well. we had our breakfast. The breakfast was super tasty yet light. It didn't feel heavy at all, and the seating arrangement here was also a vibe. Then we moved on to lawn 1, in which we did archery. Here they are able to at least point the bow and arrow, but I wasn't even able to hold the arrow or release it from the bow. And then we went on to this gulel thing. Then we did some air gun shooting, and then we moved on to weaving. Now here we were learning how to weave a dari or a carpet, and this is also one hell of an experience. Then we moved on to pagri tying. All of us got pagri tied, and then we clicked some pics. Then we moved on to lawn 2, in which the first thing we did, and the most exciting as well, was the camel ride. It was scary at first, but then it was fun. We took 2 rounds each of us, and it was so much fun. You can see how much we enjoyed. Then we moved down to charkha, and here we learned how to take out a thread from cotton, or how to make thread from cotton, which was really cool. This auntie right here, she was singing songs for us and blessing us. Also, we then moved on to chakki, and we made bajre ka atta by adding bajra in that small hole in the middle you see, and then rotating this wheel. I also did the charkha thing, and it was super cool and fun. We also made butter or white makhan like this, and then we did pottery. This was very fun. Each one of us did almost a great job, I would say. And we also brought 3 pots home, but this was so satisfying to see. Then we went on to camel cart ride, actually twice. Then we went on to lawn 3, which had all of these indoor games like air hockey, foosball, and then some pool, table tennis, a lot of things like this. And it was so difficult for us to get the boys out of the zone, and I don't know why. We literally had to drag them out because they weren't ready to go to any other lawn. Then we did this bioscope, and one childhood memory we have in common is of India Gate, watching movies in this, and it was so fun. Then we also had some laughing mirrors, and then we went on to the puppet show. I'm going to stop saying anything right now.
लो जी के ये आ गई हेमा मालिनी जी। हेमा मालिनी जी, हमारे खुश रंग बच्चे बैठे हैं, नमस्कार कीजिए। क्या बात है। तो क्या तो तेरा डांस होगा, और क्या बच्चे खुश होंगे तेरे में।
Then we hopped on to lawn 4, which had some boating, Burma Bridge, and boating was also really fun. They allowed only 4 people at a time because of the weight thing, and the Burma Bridge was also really fun. All of these water activities were relaxing actually, and calming as well. Then we moved on to this really childish ride, but it was very fun, as you can see. Then it is time for tug of war, and we had 2 teams, 1 and 2, and both the time we were about to win, Adi laughed and he lost the control of the rope, and this is how we failed. So let's ignore that. Then this is actually where the Takeshi Castle vibe came in. Most of us were not able to jump even properly because we were laughing so hard seeing each other jump. And we were turning and tossing around. This was bungee racing. And actually it was really very fun. This is what the bull thing looked like. I don't know what it is called exactly, but it was again really very fun. And the next clip you're about to see, watch at your own risk. After experiencing that, we went on to human football and then we did this giant wheel. Then we went on to Lawn 5, which had like children's park and a lot of fun swings that gave us major nostalgia. Even though we could not fit in most of the swings, we did them any which ways. And then this happened.
वाह second oops moment. Right now we are almost done with agriculture zone. 2 things left, a bullock cart ride and a tractor ride. Also I forgot to record lunch, I guess, yes, but there was a buffet system with chowmin, curry chawal, rajma chawal. There was suji ka halwa, 2 types of rotis and little bit more stuff. Everything in the description box, but let's go.
Then we went on to the tractor ride, and very sweetly the driver allowed both of them to sit in front with him, which is not allowed actually, but we had great fun. Also, this was a back breaking ride, like literally it was so bumpy and so uncomfortable, but also very fun. Then we went on to this huge well and also very deep, which was so heavy. Then we went on to Lawn 6, which is sports and adventure zones, and this is where all of our muscles started paining. We had some trampoline jumps, and then this was something which was really fun. I went in there, and because of my height I couldn't see anything outside, so at the very moment I came out of it. But these 3, they kept banging each other, and just see this. Oh my god, she turned like okay. And Gauri Didi fell again. Then these were all those balancing things which Nehu and Nishu did. Also us, we tried, but I couldn't do it. Then we climbed the net and Nehu won the race because he's so freaking tall. This was another balancing thing, but it was at a height, so it needed safety and everything. For some rest, we went on to see the magic show.
मैडम जी, आपका एक पैर इसके ऊपर रखो. हाँ, आपके पैर में क्या है? हाथ खाली है, ऐसा करो. थोड़ा ये हिलाइए. देखिए सर, हम इस बॉल को इधर बंद कर देंगे और इस बॉल को इधर, और इस बॉल को हम मुट्ठी में बंद कर लेंगे. 1 2 3, राइट मैम? अभी कुछ डाउट? ये गायब, इधर 2 बॉल्स. चलो तुम भी लिख लो, मैडम को देखना. लिख लो, ये भी गायब, इधर 3 बॉल्स.
After that amazing magic show, we went on to eat something, and these were the things that were available 24/7. We ate bajri ki khichdi, ghee bura, then saag and makki ki roti, which were delicious, like delicious. And then we ended our day with a really relaxing head massage. Like you can see how much fun is Gauri Didi having in this. And also at the very end we had some mehendi applied, and it came out to be so beautiful. The color also the next day was really red.
Had such a fun and relaxing day today, है ना? And we are off to Delhi. We are just at home. It's 8:15 p.m. We took a stop right now to drop off Nishu and Nehu, and we are going to home, heading to the home right now. But it was a tiring yet fun day. We had a lot of fun. Yeah. All the reviews are at the end of the video if you want to read it. All the details regarding the tickets, the prices, the timings, everything will be in the description box below. And if you like this video, make sure to please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Also, I'm going to be posting vlogs more regularly, I hope so, because now I'm almost free.
So for the reviews, I loved the place. It had such a great vibe to it, and I totally recommend going there.
I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long